We're starting. My name's Adrian. I'm a photographer from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and we're here at Ultrace 2021. I don't think there's any show better in the world, in all honesty. This is something else. But I would definitely say this place is very unique. This definitely holds the highest standard for modified car cultures and it all coming together and being a collective Ultrace. I think it's awesome. Second time in Poland for, first time was racism. This year it's for Ultrace, and it's been an amazing show. The cars were always of top quality. The show didn't fail. The weather was a little interesting, but we got around, and I think everybody's pretty happy with what happened.
All I wanna do is bring the knock home. Don't wanna make the money, had a Stockholm. And I got a sick wrist, make a wish, bitch. Ain't nobody dish rare, take a flick, bitch. Sonny like to pop his shit, like his papa did. When my pockets hit the limit, I think about robbing shit. I don't even know I'm driving you crazy, I don't be driving shit. Lately I've been serving like 80 a gram, you know it be lavish, yeah. Yeah, running from the love, yeah. Running from the love, running from the love.
I don't even know I'm driving you crazy, I don't be driving shit. Lately I've been serving like 80 a gram, you know it be loud.
Yeah. Outside, really on the south side, yeah. Deep in, it's about to jump off, yeah. Flip this, can I get my funds up, yeah. 3 deep every time the sun's up.
Earned so many scars, white thing, had to copy. G-Wagons,
Ultrace. Ultrace. From the tier of cars here, like, I know some of the guys, some of the owners here that won't eat just so they can save the money and, you know, make the car properly. They put in the work for the proper body work. The underbody of the car looks good. The engine bay is clean. Everything's done right.
And see you hopefully next year for sure. Enjoy the event. So we have some hours to go and to flow.
Would you come again?
Absolutely. Yeah. I don't think there's any, I don't want to leave. So of course I'm going to come again, yeah. If you haven't come here yet and you need a vacation or you need a reason to see something greater in car culture than you've already seen, this is the only place you should be. Ultrace is perfecto. Bye. Bye.